Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use an air fryer. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I have this really nice little compact air fryer here. It's 3 quarts, holds about 2 pounds of food, and it's just great for making quick stuff for 1 or 2 people. And once you plug it in, you'll see these lights come on. We've turned the fryer on by pressing this button, and now we have to set the timer. Is it done? So basically, it's just letting you know that the time remaining has changed. Like for instance, it just went from 20 minutes down to 10 minutes. Okay. So it's just letting us know. Sometimes when you're cooking different foods, it'll actually beep and then stop once it's done. This particular one does not do that. It just stops when the time is up. So depending on what you're cooking, you're going to have to change this setting. And you'll see that it's all golden hued right now. And all I did was just shake the basket. You can either dump it into a dish or you can put it on a plate like I'm going to do and then serve it up. So I just took it out of the basket, put it on a plate, and then we're ready to serve it up. You see this handle right here? So all I did was shake it a couple times to make sure that everything was even and cooking evenly. That's how you use an air fryer. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And also, please subscribe. We have lots of great videos coming up. I'm going to set it for 20 minutes because I'm cooking frozen French fries. If it was something else, maybe chicken or steak or something like that, I would change this setting depending on what I was cooking. So I've got this set at 20 minutes. The temperature, depending on what you're cooking, you may need to change this as well. For French fries, I usually keep it at 400 degrees. But again, that depends on what you're cooking. Okay, you may need to raise it higher or lower. So I've got some frozen French fries here that we gonna cook, and to do that all, I did was put about 1 tablespoon of oil in there, and then I put my food in there. So just depends on what you're recooking. Put that in there, and then put the top on. Now this particular one has a little handle right here that you can hold and carry it around. Also, this top part twists off, so if you want to put larger food in there, you can take this whole thing off and put bigger food in there. Now, I have other air fryers that are much bigger that I use for making big meals for my entire family. But this is great for just quick things. So, to get started with any air fryer you have to have some oil and some sort of food. Once you've got your food in there and your oil, we're going to go ahead and plug it in. And then we're going to press start. And once you press start, it will begin heating up. So after pressing start, you don't want to open this door. It's going to get very hot. You'll burn yourself. And you also don't want to change the settings while it's running. So we're just going to leave it alone. We're going to let it run for 20 minutes. If it's your first time using an air fryer, you might be wondering, why does it beep? I just wanted to show you quickly what it looks like inside. So this is what the basket looks like, and the food is in there. When it's done, you're going to want to take it out. All right, so now we have our plate of yummy French fries. They're nice and hot. They taste delicious. Thank you for watching this video on how to use an air fryer.